So if you ever watch Zaki Films videos, then you'll actually see one video saying, why do I use ZZZ when you sleep? And they said that's because it's just sound of sleeping. It's a onomatopoeia. I don't really know what it did. I don't remember. But who the hell snores ZZZ? Like when we sleep, I will sleep right now. First, I have to shift the camera, and now I'm sleeping. Like whoever snores like that, we only snore like. And that's how we snore. Like, who the hell snores Z? Z is a letter. It's not a sound of anything that indicates a body sound. So, I think it's time to prove Zach D Films wrong with however I say. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Bye.